Hello guys, I'm Alan. Okay, today I will introduce some functions about our advertising Kisco. Okay, this is our connector management system. We call the ETV. Now I open the interface of the ETV. You can see the information about this software. You can see the micro address. You can see the memory resolution. This device IP and the system region. Okay, and there are many functions. First, you can adjust the value. You can adjust, and you can remote the device. Okay, I click this button, and you can see the screen restart. Okay, now the screen is start again, and we also can record the screen. Okay, and we also can remote the monitoring. I click this button, and I will take a photo of the details of this screen. It's out to the internet, so sometimes it will be a little slow. Hello guys, I'm Alan from Riotouch. Today I will introduce our new product, the 55-inch advertising Kisco, and we can also quickly display the picture or photo. Yes, you can choose the different photo. Okay, you can set the playback time like 2 minutes. Okay, uploading. Wait a minute. Okay, I upload the 4 pictures. Okay, you can go here. We also can upload the video. We also can set the playback time like 4 minutes. The video is a little bit, so we upload some time too. Okay, we upload the video successful. There are also have other functions.